Meaning of diagnose.
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 Diagnose. Diagnose refers to the process of identifying an illness or medical condition through a thorough examination of symptoms and medical history. The result of a diagnosis typically includes identifying the specific condition or illness affecting the patient, as well as determining the severity and potential complications of the condition. A diagnosis can also guide the selection of appropriate treatments and medications for the patient, and help inform decisions about long-term care and management of the condition. Accurate and timely diagnosis is critical for effective medical treatment and management of a wide range of illnesses and conditions.